HCF and LCM. In this chapter number 3, in this period, we learn the next point, the divisors method for finding the HCF, means division method for finding the HCF. Example number 1, find the HCF of 144 and 252. Then find the HCF of biggest number. Then first we find which is the bigger number and which is the smaller one. Bigger one 252 is the biggest number and 144 is the smallest number. Out of these two numbers, 252 is the biggest number and 144 is the smaller number. So divide bigger one by the smaller one, means divide biggest number by the smallest number. So write down 252 divided by 144. 144 ones are 144, 144 twos are 288. It means 288 is the biggest for 252. Therefore, quotient is 1. 144 ones are 144. Then write down the 144. Write down in this quotient 1. Understand? या ठिकाणी आपण क्वेश्चन लिहिला, येथे या ठिकाणी 144 लिहिलं. Then subtract 144 from 252. 4 is subtracted from 2, but 4 is biggest of 2. Therefore, carried over 1, get the number 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Then you carried over 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Write down 0. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then remainder is 108. Quotient is 1. Then again 108 divided by the previous divisor. 108 divided by the previous divisor. Previous divisor 144 divided by 108. 108 ones are 108. Therefore, write down quotient 1 and write down 108 below the 144. Then 108 subtract from 144. Therefore, 8 is subtracted from 4. But 8 is not subtracted from 4 because 8 is the biggest of 4. Therefore, carried over 1. Get the number 14. Carried over in your mind. Get the number 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Therefore, remainder is 6. Then you carried over 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, remainder is 36. Then again 36, this remainder divided by previous divisor. This method continuously becomes 0. म्हणजे हे मेथड काय कुठपर्यंत वाढवायची, ज्या becomes remainder is 0. Continue like this till the remainder is 0. Remainder 0 येईपर्यंत हे कंटिन्युअसली याच मेथडने करायचं. म्हणजे ही स्टेप कंटिन्युअसली. कोणती स्टेप? तर रिमाइंडर डिवाइड बाय द प्रीवियस डिवाइजर. लक्षात येते का? प्रत्येक वेळेस रिमाइंडर डिवाइड बाय द प्रीवियस डिवाइजर. रिमाइंडर डिवाइड बाय द प्रीवियस डिवाइजर. म्हणजे हे कुठपर्यंत करायचं आहे? बिकम्स रिमाइंडर इज 0. म्हणजे रिमाइंडर 0 येईपर्यंत आपल्याला ही मेथड काय करायची? कंटिन्यू चालू ठेवायची. आता या ठिकाणी बघा 144 आहे, इथं 108 आहे. 108 काय? रिमाइंडर आहे. मग 108 रिमाइंडर डिवाइड बाय प्रीवियस डिवाइजर. 144 काय? त्याच्या आधीचं डिवाइजर आहे. देन अगेन रिमाइंडर इज 36. इथं रिमाइंडर 36 आलं. 36 डिवाइड बाय प्रीवियस डिवाइजर. लक्षात येते का? 36 divided by previous divisor. Previous divisor is 108. Like this, continue till the remainder becomes 0. हे कुठपर्यंत करायचं आहे? Remainder become 0. So 36 divided by 108. 108 divided by the 36. 108 ला divide कितीने करायचं? 36. 108 divided by 36. So 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72, 36 threes are 108. Therefore, quotient write down 3. quotient, write down 3 and 36, 3s are 108. Therefore 108, write down below the 108. Then 108 subtracted from 108, so remainder is 0. This procedure, this division completely, because remainder is 0. Therefore SCF of 144 and 252 is equal to 36. It means divisor which becomes remainder 0, this divisor is the SCF of given numbers. Understand? Which divisor remainder becomes 0, ज्या divisor न remainder 0 येतो त्या तो divisor काय झाला SCF of given numbers. म्हणजे the divisor which becomes the remainder is 0, then this divisor is the SCF of given number. Therefore SCF of 144 and 252 is equal to 36. Understand? Again 252 divided by 144, because bigger one divided by the smaller one. हे लक्षात ठेवा या ठिकाणी. Bigger one, find the SCF of two numbers, then by using divisors method, then divide bigger one by the smaller one. मोठ्या संख्येला लहान संख्येने भागायचं. नंतर काय करायचं, रिमाइंडर, जो रिमाइंडर येतो, रिमाइंडर इज डिवाइड बाय प्रीवियस डिवायझर. रिमाइंडरनं काय करायचं, आधीचा जो डिवायझर आहे त्या डिवायझरला डिवाइड करायचं. दिस मेथड कंटिन्युअसली टिल द रिमाइंडर बिकम्स 0. याच पद्धतीने करायचे प्रत्येक वेळेस, कंटिन्युअसली चालू ठेवायची मेथड कुठपर्यंत रिमाइंडर 0 येईपर्यंत. दिस मेथड कंटिन्युअसली टिल द रिमाइंडर बिकम्स 0. दिस मेथड मीन्स remainder divided by previous divisor, again remainder divided by previous divisor, again remainder divided by previous divisor till remainder becomes 0. कुठपर्यंत करायचं, remainder becomes 0. When remainder 0, then this divisor is the SCF of given number. It means the divisor which becomes the remainder 0, this divisor is the SCF of given number. Understand? Next example. Example number 2. Reduce 209 upon 247 to its simplest form. Example चा अर्थ लक्षात घ्या. Reduce 209 upon 247 to its simplest form. Simplest form, lowest form आपण शिकलेलं in 5th standard. म्हणजे अतिसंक्षिप्त रूप. याला काय करायचं, आपल्याला अतिसंक्षिप्त रूप द्यायचे आपल्याला. So by using the division method, when reduce the given number by using the division method, then out of these two number, numerator and denominator, which is bigger, numerator bigger का denominator bigger हे बघायचं आपल्याला. In this denominator is bigger, so denominator bigger denominator divided by smaller numerator. आता काही ठिकाणी numerator bigger असला तर म्हणजे बिगर नंबर लक्षात ठेवा फक्त या ठिकाणी बिगर नंबर डिवाइड बाय स्मॉलर नंबर. म्हणजे बिगर नंबरला काय करायचं, डिवाइड बाय स्मॉलर नंबर लक्षात ठेवायचं. आता या ठिकाणी डिनोमिनेटर बिगर आहे म्हणून बिगर डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड बाय स्मॉलर न्यूमरेटर केलं. आता काही ठिकाणी न्यूमरेटर बिगर असेल आणि डिनोमिनेटर स्मॉलर असेल तर त्या बिगर न्यूमरेटरला स्मॉलर डिनोमिनेटरतून काय करायचं, डिवाइड करायचं. लक्षात येते. सो बिकॉज when we reduce the given number, first we find the common factor. Reduce करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला common factor शोधावं लागेल. So by using the divisors method for finding the SCF, so we find the SCF. Common factor शोधण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, find the SCF of these two given number. So bigger 247 divided by 209. 209 ones are 209. Therefore write down the quotient 1 and then write down 209 below the 247. Understand? Then 209 subtract from 247. So 9 is subtracted from 7. But 9 is not subtracted from 7 because 9 is biggest of 7. Therefore carried over 1. Take carried over 1, get the number 17. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Give carried over 1 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Remainder is 38. Remainder किती आला? 38. Then this remainder divided by the previous divisor. So previous divisor is 209. 209 divided by the 38 remainder. So 38 5s are 190. Therefore write down the 190 below 209. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 is subtracted from 0, but 9 is not subtracted from 0. Therefore carried over 1. Get the number 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. You carried over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Understand? So remainder is 19. Then this remainder divided by the previous divisor. Previous divisor 38. Therefore 38 divided by 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. Therefore quotient is 2 and remainder 38. Write down the below the 38 and subtract 38 from 38. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0. Therefore 19 divisor is the SCF of given two numbers. Because divisor. Understand? Finding the SCF by the divisors method. So solve the problem set number 12. Similarly this method. When we solve the problem set number 12, if any problem, then call to me and ask the question.